Manuel from Oldham Volkswagen. My name is Dylan and today I'm going to be showing you around this approved used Volkswagen vehicle.
The Polo Life 1.0 TSI 95PS comes in the stylish Reef blue metallic finish and it looks incredible. It comes with upgraded features such as the rear tint, offering a very diverse look to this vehicle and a head-turning one at that. It comes with features such as the power folding wing mirrors, which do fold in when locked to provide safety for the vehicle, ensuring we minimise the risk of damaging them in any way. And upgraded alloys, including the 15-inch Ronda Alloys, which offer a diverse look to this vehicle. Automatic headlights, ensuring they're on at the correct times as it is easy to forget to do so, alongside a fairly spacious boot size, big enough to fit a weekly shop inside, with additional storage space and height underneath there for a spare wheel as well. At the back of the car, you'll see ISO fixed points for rear child seats, making this a brilliant little family car, and USB-C inputs there for fast charging as well. The front of the car incorporates the active info display, which is an immersive dashboard display that we'll touch on a little bit later. The titanium black and ceramic interior upholstery work hand in hand to create a really stylish driving experience for you and your passengers to enjoy. And the multifunction steering wheel enables you to control the dashboard display. As I said, it is the active info, so it's a lot more immersive with a lot more wider range of features to choose from, including features like your assist functions. And as this car is a courtesy car, the mileage is due to change. To the left hand side, we have features such as the adaptive cruise control to stay at a safe and consistent speed whilst travelling on the motorway, ensuring confidence and safety throughout. Over to the infotainment screen, a wide range of options are hosted. When going into navigation, you can see you're prompted to purchase this additional cost. However, if we go into App Connect, we can access the Android Auto, Apple CarPlay, and our Mirror Link, allowing us to safely display our phone directly through the car to access driver-safe applications, including Google Maps navigation, to have a safer experience while traveling to new locations. Going into telephone, we can also make calls directly through the car via Bluetooth, a great addition to the car as you don't need to touch your phone whilst driving or have wires spread.
This vehicle comes with a minimum of 2 years Volkswagen approved used warranty alongside 1 year roadside assistance and much more. So to learn more about the vehicle or to book yourself in for a test drive, please get in touch on 0161 825 8520. We're more than happy to provide more information or you can inquire online today.